Have you ever wondered why Mr. Who's the Boss thumbnails get millions of clicks? Today, I'll show you step by step how to design thumbnails just like his. Clean, bold, and impossible to ignore. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. I've also left you a free PSD file in the description. And if you stick around till the end, you'll get the most value out of it. Mrwhosetheboss always puts the product or subject in the center, big and clear. No clutter, no distractions. To do this, cut out your subject with a clean outline and place it against a simple background. I started with a simple photo of a hand holding a phone. The first thing I did was replace that phone with the brand new iPhone 17. Of course, when I blended the iPhone into the hand, the skin tone didn't look perfect, so I took some time to adjust the colors of the hand, making sure it matched naturally with the lighting and the device. Before we continue, here's a quick message from today's sponsor, me. If you're a YouTuber or content creator and want professional thumbnails that save you time and boost your CTR, I don't just design thumbnails. I help you grow your entire channel with a complete package, strategies, and designs built to maximize your CTR and get you more views and faster growth. Reach out to me on Instagram or Discord. The links are in the description, so if you're interested, let's work together. After that, I moved on to the background. I applied a blur effect to the person behind the subject. This step is really important because it creates depth in the image and makes the phone pop out as the main focus. Then, I worked on the alignment. I carefully positioned the phone, the hand, and the background, so everything looked balanced and professional. Small details like alignment make a huge difference in the final thumbnail. And finally, I used one of the most powerful new features in the latest Photoshop update, generative upscale. With just one click, I was able to enhance the entire image and boost its quality, making it look sharp and clean, even at higher resolutions. That's how I transformed a basic photo into a high-quality thumbnail featuring the iPhone 17. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I've also left the PSD file in the description so you can try it yourself. And let me know in the comments. What kind of Photoshop tutorials do you want me to cover next?